Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with another gorgeous bridal eye makeup tutorial, and for today's look I have created this beautiful purple, pink and yellow half cut crease eye look. This is a pretty colorful look, but this is going to be a beautiful look for your bridal outfits, and especially for Bengali bridal look, this is going to be a beautiful look. And let me tell you, here is the secret. I actually wanted to create something else, but I ended up creating something else. You will see what I'm talking about. And not only that, in this video I will share with you some additional tips, like some bonus tips as well. So make sure to watch the entire video without skipping. And so without further blabbering, let's get started. And before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And I am first cleaning up the borders of my brows using my Wet n Wild Incognito concealer, and I already did my brows off camera, and the brush that I'm using is from Pune store. I am applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. And now I am just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This particular sponge is from Wet n Wild. Prepping your eyelids for eyeshadows is really important, so make sure to use a good concealer or a good eyeshadow primer. Now I am taking my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder and I am just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking Pool Party and this beautiful like purple shade. I mixed them together, and this is my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. And with this small brush from Morphe, I am applying it as my crease color. As you guys can see, my natural crease right across my eyelid. I am creating a false crease because I have hooded eyes. And taking little by little product, first I'm just stamping it and then I'm just blending it out using back and forth motion. Whenever you are working with such pigmented shades, first just stamp the color and then blend it out. Now I am taking this beautiful like orangish coral shade, and with this small blending brush again from Morphe, I am just blending out the edges of the previous shade. And I must say this step took a little more time because the previous shade was so pigmented, it was kind of stuck, so I had to like work really hard to blend it out, so to create that gradient effect. But at the end it turned out to be really beautiful. So just be patient and just blend it out until or unless you are happy with the end result. Now I am taking this matte yellow shade from the palette and I decided to apply it on top of the previous shade because I wanted more like orange, fiery orange shade. So I just decided to create my own custom fiery orange shade by applying that matte yellow shade. It's looking pretty nice, isn't it? And now I am taking this matte purple shade from the palette and I am applying it on my outer V area, and then I will apply the color all over on my eyelid. So here is the secret. At first I just wanted to create a matte purple smoky eye look, like those orange, yellow and pink purple matte smoky eye look, but this eyeshadow was so patchy and I was trying my best to blend it out, but I just could not. It was looking so patchy, and then I decided to cut my crease. And now taking that matte black shade from the palette, I am applying it on my outer V area just to create a little more depth because I already decided to cut my crease. And now I'm just cutting my crease using the same lip brush from Pune store, and I'm just cleaning up the purple mess that I just created. It's okay, we all are human beings, we all make mistakes. As long as we can rectify it, it should be fine. So here is the tip that I wanted to share. If you kind of mess up with your lid shade, like lid eyeshadow shade, be it a shimmer or a matte shade, just remove it with some micellar water. Take any q-tip and remove it, and then apply a little bit of concealer, and it should take care of everything. Now I am applying the matte purple shade right here to create a gradient effect. For my lid shade, I am taking this beautiful shade. It's a fiery orange yellow kind of a shade. It's very unique, and I do not have any such shade in my collection. And I'm applying it on the middle part of my eyelid. And then I am taking this gold shade and I'm popping it right here on the inner corner, and then I will blend it out with the lid shade. This particular shade, gold shade, is again very unique. It is kind of foiled topper kind of a shade, so I will suggest you to use a glitter primer underneath. Then I am taking pool party or dance party, and I decided to apply it on top of the purple shade, just to have a little more shadow in that area. And taking that matte purple shade, I am applying it on the border of my cut crease, just to make my cut crease look even prominent and crisp. And I wanted that purple hue back to my crease. That's why I just decided to reapply the purple shade. And now I am creating a wing using my Essence eyeliner. Here is another tip, like bonus tip, that I want to share with you. I just applied the eyeliner, and as you guys can see, it's looking very streaky, and it often happens with all of us, right? I'm sure you can relate to it. You can see that streakiness. If it happens to you, do not try to fix it right away. Just let the first layer dry down completely. Do not try to fix it when it's wet. I am telling you from my own personal experience. Just let it dry down and then go on with a second layer, and you will fix it right away. As you guys can see, it is already fixed. And now I am applying a kajal. This is my Jordana Easy Eyeliner pencil. You can use any kajal pencil that you have in your collection. And I'm also tight lining with it. And taking that matte purple shade, I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line. And for that, I'm using this angled brush from Pune store. Taking the dark magenta pink shade called Pool Party or Dance Party, I'm just smudging out the border of the previous shade, and then I decided to go with the yellow shade just to tie the look together. I am highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. And I am curling my natural lashes with my eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess Volume Stylish Mascara. And for my falsies, I'll be using my Kiss lashes in the style Gala. I recently got a request from one of you to show you how to apply false eyelashes. I will explain it in my next tutorial. It is going to be a full face bridal makeup, and I will explain each step in that video, so please stay tuned. By the way, are you guys watching my YouTube shorts? I have been uploading a lot of YouTube shorts, and I do not know if you are watching them. If you are watching them, then please let me know in the comment section. And here is the final look. Honestly, I loved the end result. I really loved it. I did not picture this look in my mind before creating it, but after creating it, I was so happy, and I honestly think this is one of the best looks that I have created here on my channel. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. I'm uploading a lot of Instagram makeup tutorials, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. All the links will be given in the description box down below. So yes, see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.